Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X2 NEO, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app. Then click on floating queen, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. In order to move it around, you need to hold it and drag it. To make it small, click on home button, and to access it again, tap on the app. You can also use it to overlay the other one by operating in both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by clicking on the same button and swiping your app, just like that. If you wish to, you can always just click on your app over here and tap on this icon at the top right corner to close it, and this one at the top left one to make it full size. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!